Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful video of hand embroidered designs. Guys, this video contains a very beautiful, elegant and stylish collection of hand embroidered shirts. You are seeing different stylized, different perspectives, different dimensions and a very closer view of these embroidery patterns so that you can get a very closer view and along with that different shades of fabric threads which are being used onto the fabric being used and to make the embroidery pattern are being shared. I would recommend you to use Anchor or DMC for making these whole patterns. The closer look of the whole design pattern is giving a new dimension, a new idea and a new direction as well. So I would recommend you to do watch the video till end. You can not only design these very beautiful patterns of hand embroidery onto your shirts, you can also design them onto your kameez, kurti, or any different type of tops as well. But as you know that summer is in its full swing, so all of the today's entire collection is soft, blended, organic cotton fabric that is soft, lightweight, breathable, and at the same time the wearer feels comfortable and easy. Even you can use them for everyday formal look, for office wear, for going to college, university. So a very beautiful delight to Eastern dresses, along with a touch of Southern or Western style, is being shared. So I would recommend you to do try this pattern, and if you really like the design or you have find out the design by watching our today's video for which you are looking for, then we are absolutely delighted or overwhelmed to see this. And in the comment section leave us what about what you want us to share with you in our new upcoming videos. Up till then guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you already have subscribed then you can subscribe from as many as other devices as you could, so that we could grow up into a large and remarkable number of YouTube friends and family members. And with this guys, allow me to leave and stay tuned for the more and new upcoming videos onto my channel.